Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking at the Skytech Nebula, you're not casually shopping for a tower, you're the kind of person who demands serious gaming and creative performance without compromise. Before we dive in, hit the first link below and check today's price and availability. This kind of value spec rig doesn't hang around. I upgraded to the Nebula because I'd had enough of systems that started strong but flinched when I opened up a heavy edit or fired up a competitive match. I wanted one machine that could flex across every task and hold that feeling of I'm set for a long time. From the moment I switched it on, I knew this was it. In real life, use the AMD Ryzen 7 5700, 3.7 GHz base, 4.6 GHz turbo, paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 T16GB is a game changer. Whether I'm editing high-resolution footage, running multiple apps, or jumping into a multiplayer session at 1440p, it just works. Load times disappear, transitions feel immediate, and when I switch into game mode, I'm ready, no lag, no hesitation. The overall build and feel? The 32GB DDR4-3200 RAM and 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD ensure I'm not waiting while assets load, while the 650W Gold PSU means the rig isn't straining, it's comfortable, cool, confident. My workspace went from setup to command center. If you're the kind of person who cares about how their gear feels as well as how it performs, this machine delivers. Midway reminder, check stock now. When rigs with this level of spec appear at a strong price, waiting usually means missing out and starting the search cycle over again. Maybe you're thinking, is it worth going this route when I could go leaner? Let me reframe it. It's not about having the highest tier spec list, it's about avoiding that moment when you bump into a limitation and think I should have gone bigger. With the Nebula you avoid that. Owning this feels like you made the right call. It's not about showing off, it's about stepping into a space where you don't worry about can this handle it? You just know. Pros real-world gaming and editing performance without visible lag, high-end components that give you headroom for years, premium build and polish that elevate your workspace, plug-in and run, simplicity saves you build stress, feels like owning a serious machine, not just getting by. Cons: it's not the absolute top end for Ultra 4K at max settings. Being a pre-built rig, future upgrades might have some trade-offs. If you're still comparing and researching, stop. Most people end up circling back to the Skytech Nebula because nothing else hits this mix of performance, value and build confidence so well. If you're already leaning toward it, trust that instinct. You don't buy this kind of rig twice, you buy once and enjoy every day. Tap the first link now to check live price.